The Oracle LED off-road side mirror covers are a slick way to make trail driving or desert running in your F-150 a much better experience. Featuring high-powered LEDs and a super clean look, these give you all the advantages of ditch lights in a nearly OEM-style package. Quick note on fitment here, these are designed to fit 2021 and newer F-150s that are not equipped with the factory towing mirrors. Now, there's no denying that ditch lights are extremely useful, but they aren't the best looking upgrade. However, Oracle has come up with a way to give you all the additional illumination without having to tack on big, bulky lighting elements. As the name suggests, these take the place of your stock mirror caps, and they clip right into place on your factory mirrors. Inside each cover, you're going to find a set of 12 high-powered LEDs, giving you a total of 24 individual LED lighting elements. These put out a bright 6000K temperature white light and about 2250 total lumens. And they also cast up to a 45-degree angle on each side of the truck, so they should be more than bright enough to light up the things that you need to see. And since your headlights and fog lights really only illuminate what is directly in front of your truck, if you find yourself out on the trail at night, you may not see that ditch or piece of brush until it's a little too late. Oracle designed these specifically to pick up where your other lights leave off and give you tons of peripheral visibility. That's going to help you avoid those potential hazards and can keep you and your truck safe on all those nighttime trail rides. And you can tell that these were really thought through with the way they integrate too. These look almost like they could have been a factory option with the way they fit in place of your mirror caps. So they give you all the benefits of traditional ditch lights, but they look a heck of a lot more clean once they're installed on your truck. The housings are made from polycarbonate, which is twice as strong as your factory ABS housing, which already makes these pretty great. However, there's some other clever engineering baked in here. The DBM Reflex LED optics are protected by acrylic lenses and these anodized rock guards over top. On the back of the lights themselves, you'll find aluminum heat sinks designed to wick heat away from the lights and their electronics. And these are also designed to utilize the airflow through the housings to help with cooling, which the nerd in me finds extremely clever. Pricing comes in at about $650, and while that might sound like a lot, it's actually not that bad compared to some other LED lights you can get, and these are really unique within the market. If you value the integration and still want that additional illumination, then these are definitely the right choice for your truck. Just be prepared to pony up a bit more cash than you might have initially expected. Installation gets a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. Now, there is a bit of disassembly required in order to get these fitted. You basically have to take off your mirrors and then take them apart in order to remove the stock caps. You're also going to have to do a little bit of wiring in order to get everything functioning properly. Now, if your truck has the factory mirror lights, you can tap directly into those within the mirror, and these will work off of that switch on your dashboard. Or if your truck has the factory upfitter switches, you can also tap into those. However, if your truck has neither of those things, you'll need to get yourself a switch and relay setup, which Oracle does have available. If you've done any amount of wiring before, this is not a difficult job, and even if you haven't, it's a pretty straightforward process, and specific instructions are included with the kit. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the Oracle LED off-road side mirror covers fitting 2021 and newer F-150s that are not equipped with the factory towing mirror. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.